Since Enphase Energy was founded in 2006, our team has been passionate about the future of clean energy. Today, Enphase products are powering approximately 3.3 million solar energy systems at homes and small businesses in over 145 countries. This amazing journey began in the US, and now we're once again manufacturing our products right here in America. The Inflation Reduction Act enabled Enphase to bring high-tech manufacturing jobs to the U.S. and support our American customers with products made in the USA. We are excited for this new chapter in our story.
My name is Srinath Chandrasekharapur. I'm the head of global manufacturing for Enphase. We're here in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, at one of our manufacturing partners. We're manufacturing microinverters here in the USA. The microinverter is the device that takes the power that's generated by the solar panel, converts that into a clean, safe, green energy. The IQ8 includes some of our most advanced technologies. Our latest ASIC chip works about 1,000 times faster than the previous generations. Quality, reliability, and customer service is baked into our DNA. In addition to a robust design, a lot of care goes into how we manufacture. We have a 25-year warranty for our microinverters. At the early stages of manufacturing, as the product gets built, there are several stages of inspection and testing on every single part to make sure it's functioning perfectly.
I'm Angela Friend, and I'm in the quality department. I believe every detail matters. We do at least 20 checks along the way. Some are done visually and some are done with machines, like testing, sampling, x-raying, things like that, just to make sure that everything is perfect before it leaves. We're very confident that we're sending out good products to people.
I'm Jacob Olson. This is the shipping department, the last step of the process. These guys are scanned, weighed, ready to be packed, and shipped out to our distributors around the U.S.
Building our products here in the US, close to our customers, simply makes business sense. We're laser focused on creating a great customer experience end to end.
It's not just the quality departments looking for quality, it's the whole company.
I know a lot of people have worked hard on these. We're excited for these to go out there and make a difference. I mean, that's coming from the heart.
Very excited to be bringing back high technology manufacturing to the United States.
Enphase has shipped more than 60 million microinverters since it was founded in 2006. The new U.S. manufacturing operations are expected to produce millions of additional products each year. We are powering the clean energy revolution, streamlining our supply chain and creating jobs along the way. And this is just the beginning.